everybody, just want to show you what the bean soup, the minestrone soup, looks like when it comes out of the canner. Just opening the canner now. There you go. Looks really good. Look at that. That's awesome. I'm going to put this one down. I have two in the top. And I'm one-handed, so I can only do this and show you guys.
Don't drop it.
I won't drop it. There you go. You can see the vegetables in this one. And the beans. There you go. Looks like it came out really good. Thanks for watching. Whoops. Thanks for watching, guys. Here you go. Oh, I always touch that and that's hot. Look at that. So it's still bubbling a little bit inside the jar. So you can see that. There you go. That's what you want to see. Right there. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed. In order to win the contest, you have to be a subscriber, and I will be checking. Thanks for watching. See you later.